In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new web login with Bitwarden. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a secure, well-labeled login to your vault so it's easy to find and safe to use. Start by opening your browser and heading to the Bitwarden web vault. If you're not already signed in, enter your master password to unlock your vault. You should see your list of items. This is where all your logins, notes, and other secure entries live. Look for the New button and click it. A panel will open with different item types. Choose Web Login. This tells Bitwarden you're saving credentials for signing into a website, which enables URL matching and autofill later. Now you'll see fields to describe the login. Begin with item name. Pick something clear and recognizable, typically the service or website name. Consistent naming helps a lot when your vault grows, so avoid nicknames you might forget and stick with the site's official name. Next, fill in the username. This is the identifier you use on the site, such as your email address or a unique username. Enter it exactly as the site expects, including any dots or capitalization. Getting this right ensures autofill works smoothly. For password, you can paste an existing one or create a new, strong password right here. Bitwarden includes a built-in password generator, which is the safest choice. Aim for a long, unique password with a mix of characters. If you generate a new password, make sure you update it on the website itself during a password change flow so the saved one in your vault matches what the site uses. You'll also see an option to add an authenticator key. This is optional but very helpful if the site supports time-based one-time passwords. Paste the secret key provided by the website's two-factor setup, not the temporary 6-digit code, but the long secret string. Once added, Bitwarden can generate the rotating verification codes for you within the vault or extension. In the website field, enter the full login URL for the site. Using the correct domain helps Bitwarden recognize where to offer autofill. Include HTTPS and the main domain, like the page where you normally sign in. If the site has multiple login locations, you can add additional URLs later. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new web login is now securely stored. The next time you visit that site, Bitwarden will recognize it and can autofill your username and password.